Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 74th Miss Universe competition. This is Nell 2204 and don't forget to like and subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! Welcome back sa ating channel and today we're celebrating another big milestone for our very own Miss Universe Philippines 2025 Maria Atisa Manalo. With her beauty, charm, and inspiring journey, Atisa just reached an incredible 900,000 followers on Instagram and counting. Road to 1 million na tayo. From her humble beginnings hanggang sa pagkapanalo niya bilang Miss Universe Philippines 2025, Atisa has been inspiring millions not only with her beauty but also with her heart. Her Instagram account @Atisa has become a space where fans and supporters can see her glamorous looks, advocacies, travels, and day-to-day life as a queen. Pero higit sa lahat, her social media journey is proof of how much love and solid support she receives from her fans. Each like, comment, and share is a reflection of the bond she has built with her supporters all over the world. Atisa herself is deeply grateful. Sabi nga niya, this milestone is not just about numbers. It's about the strong community of people who believe in her, cheer for her, and walk with her in this journey to the Miss Universe stage. So mga ka-pageant, let's continue this journey. Follow and support our very own Atisa Manalo on her road to 1 million followers and beyond. Sama-sama nating ipakita ang solid Pinoy love and support as she conquers the universe. Don't forget to follow her on the Instagram @Atisa Manalo. Sa lahat ng supporters, maraming salamat po. And ang milestone na ito ay bunga ng inyong pagmamahal at tiwala. Let's keep going dahil together we can make history. Road to 1 million and road to Miss Universe. This is Nell 2204 at patuloy po tayo magbibigay ng lahat ng mga updates para sa ating Miss Universe Queen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for us para sa lahat ng mga bagong balita.